Friends, this is Dr. H. Ariharathuru Rajkumar. Today we are going to start a new series, Secrets of a Field Vet. I am trying to give you maybe 100 secrets out, but I don't know whether I can go till 100. But I am just giving me a challenge whether I can go give 100 secrets out. Okay, and I just had a conversation with a friend who said you should say things which is not available elsewhere. So I am just trying this and let's see how it works out. Okay, today we will start with this new series and do subscribe to watch or to know all the 100 secrets. And this will definitely, some of you might have known some of the things, and others might not know some of the things. This which I have gathered or out of experience which I have got to know, and it is not given elsewhere in the book. So this could be off label, so you have to use your prudency in using these drugs and using these drugs for these indications. So okay, let's go into the video. Do subscribe. Secrets of a Field Vet series 1/100. Let's see what we have. Dexamethasone, that is the drug which we are going to deal with today. Dexamethasone, I will call dexamethasone a miracle drug because it has every component to definitely it deserves to be called as a miracle drug. So first thing, it can be used for treating physiological udder edema after parturition. The important thing to notice is after parturition. So how I will just explain you how you should treat a physiological udder edema case after parturition by using dexamethasone. I won't be saying you the physiology behind it for reasons, for some kind of ethical reasons. So it is up to you to find how it works. But I will just give you how you should use it to treat the case. Okay, I have seen many people treating physiological udder edema with lot of drugs like furosemide, acetazolamide, all kind of diuretics, and calcium chalk powders, etc., etc. Now let's see how you can treat with this instantly within a day by using this dexamethasone. Okay, see, when you have udder edema, when you give dexamethasone, first thing what will happen is only the fluid part will get decreased. This you have to remember. Only the fluid thing will get decreased. So the essential thing to the essential or important secret behind this is you have to know how much of the dose you have to use. Think this is as edema fluid. So if it is extends to this extent, up to this extent, then you can, for a normal sized 350 kg cow, you can go up to 5 to 7 ml of dexamethasone. Okay, 5 to 7 ml dexamethasone. Okay, if the fluid is very less, it is just up to do this. Having some trouble. Okay, if the fluid level is just this, then go for 3 to 4 ml. Okay, if the fluid is just restricted to the udder, okay, just see. If it is just restricted to the udder, then you can just if it is just restricted to this udder, and the edema is restricted to just this just the udder, then you can go in for just 2 ml. That is how you treat a case of physiological udder edema after parturition. Just give a try. It will get okay by the next day. But sometimes the animal may react so much so that the next day the udder may shrink so much. So if that thing get to happen, you just give calcium. Calcium is an antidote for the dexamethasone. You just remember this. Then it can be used for downer cow during last trimester of pregnancy. Everyone says that is during, you can use dexamethasone during last trimester of pregnancy. But what is this last trimester of pregnancy? Actually, in my field experience, it only works only during the last 10 to 15 days of pregnancy. So when how you will determine whether because we cannot go just by the words of the owner, so we have to know a way to determine whether we can use dexamethasone. So you just go and check the milk for the cow which has not yet calved. The color of the milk will give you color and consistency of the milk, or that secretion. Okay, you can call it a secretion. Will give you an indication of the uh, months of pregnancy or time to calving. If it is like very thicker and it is like glue, glue, it is of very less months of pregnant. When as the pregnancy progresses, the color changes to a honey color and the consistency simultaneously drops from a thick glue to a slimy solution of honey colored. Then that color will mildly change and it will get lighter and lighter. Then you will have milk which is of mild yellowish tinge. So that is the last stage of pregnancy. When you have that kind of milk which is slightly thicker in consistency and it looks like milk but not white in color but mild yellowish, then you can think this is the stage when dexamethasone works. Why you should use for downer cow? During downer cow, during the pregnant cow, when if it becomes a downer, what happens? Actually the body is preparing the animal for maturation. That is, all your ligaments are going to get loosened so that the calf can be delivered easily. So this makes the cow to become downer. There can be other causes also, but this is a major cause. So what is our mode of treatment? If we can reduce the weight, if we can get the calf delivered, then it reduces the weight. And also, once the calf is delivered, then all your pregnancy signs is going to uh, uh, get resolved or get back to normal. So your ligaments are going to tighten and the animal has chance to get up and walk on its own. So we are using dexamethasone during that last trimester of pregnancy. This is one of the way to handle this downer cow. Then you can use this for induction of abortion at the last trimester of pregnancy. As I said, the last 10 to 15 days. Even if you use dexamethasone before that, it won't cause abortion. Yeah, it won't cause abortion. If you want to induce abortion before that, then you have to go for PGF2 alpha or cloprostenol. That is the only choice you have. Okay. Then milk production. How dexamethasone can be used for milk production? There are cases when the cow would have calved, but the secretion would not have changed to milk. It will be more like as if the animal is pregnant. This usually happens when in FMD affected animals you get these kind of cases. It usually comes FMD affected cases, you will have these kind of thing. occurring. So if the secretion has not changed to like colostrum even after parturition, it is still, it looks like as if the animal is pregnant, then you can use dexamethasone. Then how you are going to use dexamethasone for these kind of cases? Just take 1 ml of dexamethasone, dilute it with 10 ml of sterile water, or 10 to 20 ml. You can even go for 10 to 20 ml of sterile water. Then you have to give it as intramammary infusion. If you give it, then that milk secretion will change. And there are this treatment has given varied results, because I am not able to standardize the amount of dexamethasone which should be given for this kind of treatment, because this is a very rare kind of cases we get very rarely. So sometimes it works and sometimes it won't. So you can use it and you can try it and you can just comment it if you get a case for milk production also. Also dexamethasone is used in induction of milk in heifers. I am not going to go deep into this, because this is a vast topic and you can just Google it and find the use. And it can also be used for immunosuppression. Use it, try it, and comment it. Let's see. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Thanks for watching.